Oh, Oleh, you finally landed in Israel. The moment you step off the plane, the adventure begins. There's no special lane. Just follow the signs and go through passport control like everyone else. Next, head to the Ministry of Aliyah and Integration office right inside Terminal 3. Here, a staff member will confirm your passport, Aliyah approval, visa, and any documents you brought. This is where your official immigrant status becomes active. At the airport, you'll receive your initial documents, your Teudat Oleh, a temporary Teudat Zehut number, health coverage registration, a form to open a bank account, and details about your absorption basket. These documents let you start everything else: banking, health insurance, government benefits, and future appointments. If you're eligible, your first Sal Klita payment will start automatically. You may also get free transport to your first address. After that, grab your bags and step out. Officially a new Oleh. The airport is just the beginning, but now you're ready to start your new life in Israel. For more tips and guidance on all things Aliyah, visit allaboutaliyah.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.